Hello, I'm here with Milo, and today we're going to have a look at the greenhouse. In front of the greenhouse, I've got these pots I'm keeping out of the frost so that they don't break over winter. Then as we go into the greenhouse, hang on, let me show you a little bit more of the greenhouse from the side. So there we go, you can get a better picture of how it looks. And then this is the barn. And then you can see how we put just clear plastic on the top to let the light in and help the plants to grow. So let's go and have a look inside. So all of these plants are that bit tender that if we left them outside in the UK winter, they would not survive, or they'd be knocked back so much that they wouldn't grow very much the following year. So, if I just go down to my feet here, you can see I've got a little electric heater that I just put on overnight on the coldest of nights just to keep it above the level of frost. So what do we have? Now this Abutilon is lovely. Now that's a Melianthus major, I believe. And I've tried them outside before. They're meant to be kind of almost okay, but they've not survived. It's a Buddleja cutting I got from a friend of mine. It's Buddleja saligna. So this might, well, I'm hoping it'll survive outside because it's going to get quite big. But I just want to take a little bit of extra care of it while it's small. A few recent purchases online. Now over there in the background you'll see an Echium pininana. I've got some of these growing outside, but every year I try and keep some in pots inside just to give them a head start the following year. So this one is really impressive kind of prehistoric plant, and that is Equisetum japonicum. Again, some places it can survive outside in the UK, but I like to be better safe than sorry. Okay, and this Brugmansia here, I think it's Brugmansia sanguinea. Let's have a look. Hey, Brugmansia sanguinea. Get me. But yeah, awesome red flowers. And then further back, can't get that far, but we've got a mix. It's mainly gingers. Let's see how far I can get it. That's a Canna edulis at the back there. It's a lemon verbena. Some more gingers here. And there's loads of things just sort of hidden away. I actually keep, can you see down there? Yeah, I actually keep my dahlias in here, potted up. I won't water them again for the rest of the winter, and hopefully they'll come through. Now, while most dahlias have died back, this Dahlia imperialis, which is like the original type of dahlia, that's still going strong. It's still got leaves on it. Quite impressed with that. And if we go through, there's another Melianthus here. Now, and there's some Taro at the back there. That's the edible Taro. This is Geranium I'll try again. Geranium Maderiensis. Let me see if I get that right. Geranium Maderense. And it's called Guernsey white, so it's a white version. Normally they come in pink. Quite excited about this one because more than the flowers, it makes such an architectural frame. It's really quite stunning when it gets large. And I had a wonderful version, but it didn't survive the hard winter we had last year. Then there's an Agapanthus. Oh, that's Agapanthus Queen Mum. Queen Mother? Not sure how formal we're meant to be. And again, it's a real stunner. It didn't survive last winter, so I went and bought another one because I loved it so much. And then just as we get to the door, there's a lemon tree. Okay, I'll just do one quick scan round. If you have any questions about these plants, anything you'd like to know, I can dive in and dig out some more labels from the back. Just pop a comment below. Thank you for watching.